So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Spider-Man bundle from Magic the Gathering. So let's open this up here and let me show you guys what you guys will be getting. Oh, look at that art. There's Venom just hanging out. And then within the box we still have this picture right here. Venom looking terrifying. There we go. Okay, so this is the box itself. We have Venom on this side. Let's see what's on the other side. Then we have Spider-Man. Okay. And then taking a look here. So we have our dice. Oh, look at that. Definitely going to be fun to add this to the collection. So I'm just going to set that aside. And then you have a couple Spider-Man pop-outs that you could do. Let me see what we have in here. Okay, let's set that aside there. So here we have our packs, and we have our lands, and then we have more packs. So let me just show you guys the lands that you guys will be getting. I think that's the best way to go about opening these. Okay, so I'm not sure how I feel about the art style of these lands, but there you go. You just get a copy of each one. Then I'm pretty sure it goes to basic after you get like one copy of each of those. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, I would prefer to have like, you know, multiple versions of these kinds, but you only get 5 of these, and then the rest are pretty basic there. So setting that back here as well. And that was the non-foils. I do believe you get some foils in this one here. So let's check. Oh, okay, so no, these aren't the lands. So we have Radioactive Spider here. It is a rare, reach and death touch. Sacrifice this creature, search your library for a Spider Hero card, reveal it, put it into your hand, then shuffle, activate only as a sorcery. There you go. Then you have the hollow lands here. I'm just going to be going through this a little bit quicker, just because I don't want to make this a super long video. And then you have hollow, more basic lands here at the end. So I'm going to be setting those aside back there. And if you guys are curious at all as what you could get, so you could, you know, pop this out, and you have many Spider-Man heads there. Pop that out if you would like. And then you have your red +1/+1 counters, and then Spider-Man there. And you can pop that out as well. Not sure how many people are interested in that, but then you have what, 3, 6, so 9. Then you have your 9 play boosters here. And now let's open a couple of these just to give you guys an idea what you guys might be able to pull. Let me just set that back there. This one over here. Okay, so let's do this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, and I'll set the rest back here. All right, so we're gonna open 3 packs here, and I'm just gonna go through the commons, uncommons pretty quickly, jump into the chase cards. But if you would like to pause the video on any part of the commons and uncommons, then feel free. And I'm just going to be making quick comments of the hot dog card. That's pretty funny. All right, uncommon here. So yeah, the art's, ooh, Web Warriors. That's pretty cool. When this creature enters, put +1/+1 on each other creature you control. Okay, it could be green, white. Ooh, 9 lives. Got our Mythic here. That's sick. It is a 3-cast hexproof. If a source would deal damage to you, prevent that damage and put an incarnation counter on the enchantment. Not sure what that is. When there are 9 or more counters on this enchantment, exile it. When this enchantment leaves the battlefield, you lose the game. What? All right, well, that's pretty cool. Mythic regardless. Ooh, Spider-Man $20.99. Got our rare in this pack. You can't cast Spider-Man during your turn, second or third turns of this game. Oh, it's a 2 to cast too. Double strike vigilance at the beginning of your end step. If you played a land or cast a spell this turn from anywhere other than your hand, this card deals damage equal to its power to any target. Interesting. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. So we've got a rare and 2 mythic pulls from this one. Oh, that is sick. At the beginning of combat on your turn, look at the top 5 cards of your library. You may put a creature card from among them onto the battlefield, put the rest of them onto the bottom of your library in a random order. Wow, what a pack that was. And we have these hollow, you have your treasure token. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. It's crazy. All right, gonna set pack number 1 over there. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do much better than that pack there. So to have that one as the first pack that we opened, that was sick. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be going through quickly here. Video's already 6 minutes, so I'm not trying to make it much longer than it needs to be. But yeah, we're just showing you guys the crazy pulls there. Right, here we have our rare. When this equipment enters, attach it to target creature you control. A quick creature gets +2/+2 and has whenever this creature deals combat damage to a player, draw a card for each modified creature you control. Has equipped 2, 4 to cast. Ultimate Spider-Man. Oh, no way. That's sick. Look at that. First strike haste. Put a +1/+1 counter on this. Gain text boost and becomes colorless until end of turn. Whenever you attack, double the number of each kind of counter on each spider and legendary creature you control. Oh my goodness. 6 to cast. Miles Morales. Oh yes. Oh, sick. I'm super excited about the cards I'm pulling here. Oh, and we got another one of these. Okay. Yeah, now this is, oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, I'm just super pumped about the cards I'm pulling here. All right, let's see. Last one here. Hot dog food token. That's pretty funny. All right, we got Doc Ock. I just love Spider-Man, and I think it's really cool. A lot of people aren't a fan of the, Universe Beyond sets, but I personally, as a newer Magic player, am a huge fan. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Okay, we got another good hit here that I'm a fan of. Death Touch, Lifelink. Whenever this attacks until end of turn, you may look at the top part of your library at any time. You may play cards from the top of your library. If you cast a spell this way, pay life equal to its mana value rather than pay its mana cost. So, if you have a lot of life, why not cast spells this way? Ooh. Okay. But no, these are some crazy hits that we were able to pull just from these 3 packs here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, here we go. We have all of the rares and mythics that we were able to pull just from this. Oh my goodness, I am so pumped. Miles Morales too. Oh, this is gonna be sick. All right, but yeah, that is everything that comes with the bundle. This is gonna be a fun set for me personally, so if you guys like Spider-Man, I would definitely recommend checking this out.